Hey folks, Eric Merchant here with Trophy Properties and Auction and the Merchant team. I want to tell you about a great new auction we have coming up here in Hermann, Missouri. This is a moneymaker. This beautiful Civil War era home is in fantastic condition. There's a wine cellar in the basement that you will not believe. You have to come see it. A couple of little brick guest cottages, so you can have multiple renters here on any given weekend during the week. Hermann is booming. Agritourism is a big thing in Missouri now. We get a ton of people visiting here from Kansas City. It is a great investment property on 7 acres at the edge of town, city utilities. It's fantastic. Couple of outbuildings. It could be a beer garden. It could be a winery. It could be a distillery. It could be a wedding venue. Give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. Eric Merchant with Trophy Properties and Auction. My cell is 314-541-1218, and we'll see you on the land.